Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the password reveal button, that little eye icon on your Windows login screen, to boost your PC's security and protect your privacy. If someone ever sneaks a peek while you're typing your password, this trick will stop them cold. Let's jump right in and lock down your login screen.
So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my virtual machine to demonstrate to you how to disable the password reveal icon, okay? So to do that, I'm going to open my virtual machine and then I'm going to log in, okay? So this is the password reveal icon, okay? It reveals the characters you've typed, okay? So when I click on it, I'm going to see the characters I've typed. So this is the password reveal icon. So let me log in quickly, and then we demonstrate to you how to disable it using the registry, okay? So I'm logging into my virtual machine. So to disable it, we are going to open the registry by clicking on the search, and then we type reg edit, okay? So we are going to run the registry with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. Then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So now at the registry, we are going to navigate through the H key local machine, okay? And then we navigate to software, and then we go to policies, and then at the policies we are going to expand Microsoft, okay? So at the Microsoft we are going to expand Windows, okay? So at the Windows we are going to create a key, okay? So I'm going to right click on the Windows, and then I'll go to new and then key. So the key, I'm going to name it CredUI, okay? And then I'll press on the enter key. So now we are going to create a DWORD, okay, in the CredUI. So I'm going to right click on it, then I'll go to new and then DWORD 32-bit. So the DWORD, we are going to name it disable password reveal, okay? Then I press on the enter key. So now we are going to change the value, okay? So to do that, I'm going to double click on it, then I'll change the value to 1, then I'll press on OK, and then I'm going to close the registry. And then for the changes to take effect, you have to restart the system, okay? So I'm going to restart the virtual machine for the changes to take effect. So whilst it's restarting, I'll meet you at the other side. Okay, so now it has finished restarting. So let me log in again, and then we see if we have the password reveal icon, okay? So now you see, we no longer have the password reveal icon, okay? We've disabled it through the registry, okay? So you see we don't have it here again. So let me log in, and then to re-enable it or to enable it, we are going to click on the search, and then we go to the registry, okay? So we are going to run the registry with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. So I'll click on yes, and then I'm going to double click on the disable password reveal, okay? And then I'll change the data value or the value data to 0, and then I'll click on OK. So I have to restart the virtual machine for the changes to take effect, okay? So let me close the registry, and then I'm going to restart the virtual machine, okay? So whilst it's restarting, I'll meet you at the other side. So now we finished restarting the virtual machine. So let me log in again, and then we see if we have the password revealed icon or not. So let me try logging in. So now you see we now have the password reveal icon, okay? So you can disable this through the registry. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, so this is how to disable the password reveal icon using the registry in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.